Hello my friends, welcome to another unboxing, or unbagging in this case. Today, we're checking out a luxury foam bath pillow. Got some instructions here. And here is the pillow. So it's a soft mesh 4D. Not sure what the 4-dimension means. 4D pillow. I guess it's because it's bendable. It has the mesh as like another dimension in there. It comes with 7 total suction cups. So 2 for the headrest and 5 for the bottom part. It says when you take these off, don't pull on them like that. Just use the little tab to undo the suction, or else you might damage the pillow. It's supposed to be super washable. It's nice and scrunchy. Feels like I don't know. It's soft, and then it's got kind of like it's like a plasticky in there almost. So looking forward to trying this out. I haven't done it yet, but my wife got this for me. It'd be kind of nice, and it does have like a little hook here, so you can hang it up to dry if you want. It's supposed to be super easy to clean. It's definitely soft and cozy, and this will probably be a lot nicer than putting a towel back there, because the towel gets all wet and then it falls into the tub or whatever and doesn't really stay up. So I'm gonna give this a shot. Seems pretty nice. So this runs about $22 on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. I am an Amazon affiliate, so clicking on those links and purchasing stuff does help the channel out, so I appreciate that. Thanks for watching this little unboxing video. I'll do a review after I test it out. So I'm going to have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Take care.